Hi guys, welcome to Kitchen Equations. So for this video, we will talk about subtraction of fractions. So just like in addition, we may encounter here similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. So similar fractions meaning they have the same denominators. So here, in similar fractions, first step, we just need to copy the denominator and then just subtract the numerator. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have 1 over 5. So in case na kailangan pa natin siyang ilo-lowest term natin. So for this case, hindi na kailangan. Okay? Next, number 2, we have dissimilar fractions. So dahil dissimilar fractions yan, ang gagawin natin ay hanapin natin ang LCD ni 3 tsaka 2. So 2 over 3 minus 1 half. So dito hanapin natin yung LCD ni 3 tsaka 2. So since pwede tayong gumamit ng listing method or yung i-multiply na lang natin yung dalawa kasi GCF nila ay 1. So 3 times 2 is 6. So gawin natin yung process. So LCD divided by denominator, okay? LCD divided by denominator. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? Minus. LCD divided by denominator times numerator. Okay? Next, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then 3 times 1 is 3. So we have here 4 minus 3 is 1 and then 6. So 1 over 6.